in a quiet square where we once walked side by side.
Under yellow city lights, I held you close against the chill. On that night, our hopeful hearts were intertwined.
Raindrops keep on falling like this, and the air is cold. Footsteps echo softly through the cobbled roads.
All the dreams that we once shared still linger in my mind. In those days, we moved together as one. On that night, we held our hands and smiled so tenderly, wandering through foreign streets in gentle love. I believed our love would never bring us any pain, but tonight I see I'm walking here alone. Every time I think of you, I still keep missing you. In my heart, you are my precious only one. Every day you're on my mind, you never fade away. There is no one in this world more dear than you. Raindrops keep on falling like this, and the air is cold. Passing cafes glowing in the fading light. All the love that we once knew, I still cannot forget. In those days we shared